Do you know what foods could be damaging your liver? It's a question that might not cross your mind every day, but it's vital. The liver plays a crucial role in your body, filtering out toxins and aiding digestion. However, some of the common foods in our diets can be harmful to this essential organ. It's not just about what you eat, but also what you shouldn't. So, let's dive into this crucial topic. Stay tuned as we count down the top 6 foods that are killing your liver. Starting off our countdown at number 6 is the beloved but treacherous soda. This popular drink is loaded with high fructose corn syrup, a sweetener that overloads the liver, leading to potential fatty liver disease. Dropping in at number 5, we find processed meats on our list. These include your favorite hot dogs, salamis, and bacon. They are high in saturated fats which can cause inflammation and damage to the liver. And number 4 might shock you. It's none other than white bread. Yes, this everyday food is a silent offender. It's high in refined carbohydrates which can increase insulin resistance, a major risk factor for liver disease. Surprised by these foods? Wait until you hear what's next. Next, at number 3, we have energy drinks. Yes, your favorite energy drink is not doing your liver any favors. The high fructose corn syrup in these beverages can overwork the liver, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. At number 2 is fried foods. While delicious, the high fat content in these foods can be a real burden on your liver, leading to damage over time. These are just some of the everyday foods that could be causing harm to your liver without you even realizing. Now, are you ready for the most harmful food to your liver? And finally, the number 1 most harmful food to your liver is processed sugar. Yes, those delicious sweet treats are a nightmare for your liver. Why? Because when you consume high amounts of sugar, your liver gets overloaded and starts turning sugar into fat. Over time, this can lead to fatty liver disease. It's not just about cutting out the obvious sweets, but also being mindful of hidden sugars in processed foods. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to these foods. Take care of your liver, and it'll take care of you.